Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective bedtime weight loss drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken apple cider vinegar. Brand is totally optional. Choose an ACV with mother vinegar. This is high in healthful substances, helps to kill harmful bacteria, helps to lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetics, aids weight loss, boosts heart and skin health, and helps in weight loss as they break down the fat cells and convert them to energy. Add 1 tablespoon of ACV to a mug like this. The next ingredient is lemon. You will need about a tablespoon of lemon juice, so half the lemon is more than sufficient. Add it to the mug. Lemon on the other hand boosts your metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Then to this add 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. Then to this add a teaspoon of chamomile. Chamomile has a lot of health benefits such as it reduces weight, treats diabetics, lowers blood sugar levels, reduces inflammation, helps in weight loss, prevents cancer, helps with sleep and relaxation, treats cold symptoms and also treats skin conditions. Now add 1 cup of warm water and mix it well. Let this rest for a minute. Then strain and add it to a mug like this. Drink this 10 minutes before going to bed. Also make sure to have your dinner before an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. This drink improves your metabolism while you are in sleep and cuts down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. How to make a very trending and effective weight loss drink. Very easy to make with only 2 ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need 2 ingredients to make this healthy drink. The first one is cardamom and the other one is lemon. Cardamom is a very healthy ingredient. It is high in antioxidants, contains cancer fighting properties, has anti-inflammatory properties, protects from chronic diseases, helps in digestion, treats bad breath and prevents cavities, have antibacterial effects, treats infections, improves breathing and oxygen use, lowers blood sugar levels, protects your liver and helps in weight loss. Lemon on the other hand boosts your metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Cut the lemon into halves and we'll need only 1 half for this recipe. Now let's check out how to make this healthy weight loss drink. Crush 2 cardamom using a mortar and pestle and add it to a mug like this. To this add 1 cup of warm water. Close it with a lid and let this rest overnight. Next day morning open and check. The essence of the cardamom is well extracted to the water. To this add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it well and our fat cutter drink is ready to consume. Prefer to drink this drink in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Continue to drink this daily to get a flat belly. This drink flushes out the excess water in the body. This is safe for all including pregnant women and nursing mothers. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.